Here's another ToolManageriQ quick tip. The list view can be customized, and any changes that you make will be shown in anything that you export or print. You can start by deciding which columns you want to show. And to do that, you right-click on the upper left corner here to get the column filter. Anything with a check mark will be shown, like this diameter column. And if I take that check mark away, you can see the column disappears. Now there are quite a few columns to choose from, and having them all up is probably not ideal, but you can quickly select all of them or deselect all of them here, and then go from there, checking or unchecking the rest. Once the columns are displayed, they can be reordered. If I want the diameter column here to be before this column, all I have to do is click, hold, and drag it, and make sure to drop it in between the columns that I want it to go. Now you can also change the column width by just clicking on the center here and dragging. And if you'd like, you can sort the columns by clicking on the header to sort ascending or descending. As I mentioned before, if I were to export this list or print this list, I would see it as is with all of the information shown. Hopefully this helps.